My name is Presley and this is my CS50 Project 1 Wiki. I'll be demonstrating all 7 required features in this short walkthrough of my project, which resembles the aesthetics of an encyclopedia. So in the beginning here, I'll start with an entry page. Right, if we search Wiki Python, as you can see here, and then I press enter, we are directed straight to, it displays the content for the Python entry converted from Markdown to HTML. As you can see, the title is shown at the top and content is formatted correctly. And if we were to go back to our main index page with links, I have an index page and it lists all entries in the encyclopedia, and each one of them is clickable. It's a clickable link. Clicking on any of them takes me directly to that entries page, right? For example, if you click CSS, we're directed to the CSS index page. So our index page with links is working correctly. And then in the sidebar, I'll search for an exact entry like Django and press the search button, right? And as you can see, it redirects me directly to the Django entry page, right? So now I'll search for a partial query like thorn, right? And press the search button. It shows search results with entries that include thorn as a substring. And here we see Python, and clicking it takes me to the correct page. Right, coming back to our list here, we have the create new page button, and then after clicking the create new page button, it redirects to, it takes me to a form, right, which has a title, it has the content section and the save page button. So let's start off by typing in the title like university, then our content, we can type in Harvard computer department, right? And then let's scroll down and save our entry. Boom. Then after saving, we can see we have a heading in the description under that heading that says Harvard Computers Department, right? So under our input here, we have the edit page button. So after clicking the edit page button, the existing Markdown is pre-filled in the text area as Harvard Computer Department, and then I'll make a change of the content and click save. So I'm going to type in Harvard Computer Department in Python and JavaScript, right? And you come scroll down to our save changes button, and then you can see the entry updates and redirects back to the updated page. And then coming back to and then under the create new page button, we have the random page button, right? And from clicking it from the sidebar, it takes me to a randomly selected entry from the encyclopedia, and in this case we have the HTML entry with its description, with all its description, right? And then all the content entry is written in Markdown, and on each entry page is converted to HTML using Markdown 2. For example, the bold text, the headings, and lists all render properly like on this university entry. So in closing, thank you guys. That concludes my demonstration of CS50